in the Kitchen with Maile. I'm Maile from Maile's Thai Bistro, and today we are cooking salmon. There's so many ways to prepare salmon. I'm going to show you my way. We're going to start off with some egg wash here. I have 2 pieces of salmon, and I'm just going to lightly coat my salmon with some egg. Let's do this piece too. Make sure you get all the panko all over for that really crispy texture that we all like here on the islands. So this dish doesn't have a name yet because I just created this recipe this morning. So at the end of the segment, I'm gonna have you out there help me name this dish by going on to my Facebook page. My pan is hot. You want to cook your salmon about 3 minutes on each side. If you like it a little bit underdone, maybe about 2 minutes. So now we're going to flip our salmon. Nice and golden. Oh, careful. Your oil's hot, so it's going to dance a little. There we go. Another 3 minutes. You see how nice and golden brown this is? The panko helps it do that. All right, our salmon looks about ready. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my stove here and transfer the salmon onto a plate here. I have here a towel so it soaks up all the oil. Okay. There you go. Oh, that looks really good. Okay, now we get started with our sauce that goes on top of our salmon. Let's turn on our wok here. Make sure your wok is hot. We're going to start off with this chili paste. Let's just give that a quick stir. Careful, this chili paste can get really tricky with oil. So let's turn the heat just a little bit lower here. To this, I'm gonna add some bell peppers, some onions, some tomatoes, pineapple. Give that a stir. Last, I'm gonna put some fresh basil. All these colors, all right. Turn off my wok here. And now we're gonna plate. Let's get our salmon. Actually, let's use this so that we don't break this beautiful piece of salmon here. Onto our jasmine rice. We're ready to top our salmon off with this juicy sauce here. Make sure you get the sauce on the rice, your jasmine rice. That sweet pineapple. With the basil. And there you have it, our salmon special. For more information on this recipe, check us out on our Facebook page at Maile's Thai Bistro, or come in and visit me at my restaurant located in Hawaii Kai. In the beginning of this segment, I mentioned to you that the salmon dish has no name. Please help me by visiting my Facebook page and naming this dish. The winner will receive a gift certificate for 2 to dine in at my restaurant. I can't wait to see what you all come up with. For more information, check us out at milesThaiBistro.com.